बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अस्सलाम वालेकुम व्यूअर्स। हिस्ट्री ऑफ पाकिस्तान सीरीज़ के इस हिस्से में हम उर्दू हिंदी तनाज़ा के मतल्लक़ा पीपीएससी के मोस्ट रिपीटेड एमसीक्यूज़ को डिस्कस करेंगे। इससे पहले अगर आपने मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें ताकि मज़ीद इन्फॉर्मेटिव वीडियोज़ बर वक्त आप तक पहुँच सकें। आइए वीडियो को शुरू करते हैं। फर्स्ट एमसीक्यू है, द हिंदी उर्दू कंट्रोवर्सी बिगन इन विच ईयर? आंसर इज़ 1867। How old is Urdu language? Answer is 400 years. Urdu is amalgamation of Arabic, Persian, Turkish and Hindi languages. Lashkari was another name of which language? Answer is Urdu. In Muslims who rendered valuable services for development and protection of Urdu? Answer is Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. Banaras Institute was the first practical step taken against which language? Answer is Urdu. When Urdu was introduced as an official language in subcontinent by British government? Answer is 1837. Some prominent Hindu leaders organized an agitation against the use of Urdu as official language and demanded that Hindi written in Devanagari script should be introduced as. Answer is national language. Who first of all decided to adopt measures for the protection of Urdu? Answer is Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. When Sir Syed demanded from the government that a Darul Tarjuma be established so that the authentic word could be translated into Urdu for the benefit of students? Answer is 1857. Which platform was used by Sir Syed Ahmad Khan for the protection of Urdu? Answer is Scientific Society. When George Compbell ordered that Urdu should be scrapped from the syllabus books? Answer is 1871. Who was George Compbell? Answer is Governor of Bengal. When Anthony MacDonald issued order that Hindi should be used as official language? Answer is 1900. Who was Anthony MacDonald? Answer is UP Governor. Who established Urdu Defence Society? Answer is Nawab Mohsinul Mulk. Urdu Defence Society protested against the biased decision of that Hindi should be used as official language. Answer is Anthony MacDonald. The students of which college protested against MacDonald for scrapping Urdu as official language? Answer is Aligarh College. Why Governor debarred the Nawab from using the title of Mohsinul Mulk on October 1900? Answer is for the staunch support for Urdu. Who declared in 1917 that Hindi was the only language capable of becoming the national language of India? Answer is M.K. Gandhi. Who set up Anjuman-e-Tarakki-e-Urdu? Answer is Maulvi Abdul Haq. Where Maulvi Abdul Haq set up Anjuman-e-Tarakki-e-Urdu? Answer is Aligarh. When Anjuman-e-Tarakki-e-Urdu was established? Answer is 1903. व्यूअर्स, अगर आपको मेरी वीडियो से फ़ायदा पहुंचा हो तो मेरे चैनल को ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा। बेस्ट ऑफ लक फॉर योर एग्ज़ाम। अपना बहुत सारा ख्याल रखिएगा। अल्लाह हाफिज़।